So today we will be mainly be focusing on watch design study. So let's start sketching, and in between we will be understanding all the details behind it. And for reference, I have taken Hublot watch. So let's, as you could see, I am started with the basic figure. So it is very important when you are sketching. You need to understand like which shape is in your watch. So as dial is, if dial is in circle, so you have a start your design by using the main line, or which is a circle. So first you made the circle and then you follow the shape of overall cases by combining it together, and so that you could get a basic figure at the starting point. And after you get the basic look of it, you could easily be detailed it out. But if your basic figure is not coming out well, then it is hard to manipulate. So as you could see, I have take the basic figure in the consideration and defining the line based on that, and start with light drawing. How lightly you could draw, it's easy to not get wrong, and it's easy to get the proportion right, and then you could easily visualize the detail behind it. And the watch which I have taken is Hublot, which I already told. And then as you could see, this watch is one of the watch which is come under the Ferrari collections. And it is a automatic based watch. So automatic, there is a mechanical movement used inside it, which is based on self winding. So every day you have to be self winded, or there is a oscillatory motion attached behind it. Almost the detailing will be visible how this watch is mainly will look like. Another perspective where we could understand the details more depth way. So as I'm taking top view, so I start again with light drawing, making the main lines like the circle, start with the circle, and then figure out how the case is looking like, and follow the case line so that you could get the basic figure. And yeah, as it's a top view, then there is a symmetry, but maybe the symmetry will not be follow on dial, but it's depend upon design, which design which you have taken and how it has been designed. So this watch is one of the unique watch, I could say, and I really like the form which they had basically introduced lattice structure in their these collections, which really been amazing to visualize these cases. Because the case, when you see, it's a very much hollow, but still having a very strong strength, because that is something a USP of this design. And I really like the way it's look. We will be mainly be understanding the back view, how the back case has been designed, like how the basic proportion or basic details been designed. So I will not gonna very much detail it out, but just a light drawing how it's going to be look like. And yeah, as the detailing is done, then we will be moving to the coloring of it. And I am using alcohol marker this time. So by using alcohol marker, I am just putting some of the depth, giving depth to the design. As you could see, the coloring has been done. So thanks for watching, and stay tuned for upcoming videos where we will be understanding the design much more professional way and much more detailed way. So thank you.